Hello children, welcome back. Today we are going to learn a new lesson in English and the name of our lesson is The Egg. Before I begin with the story of this lesson, let me introduce to you some new words. Wrapped. Wrapped means to cover. Peered. Peered means to look with difficulty. Gulped. Gulped means to breathe with difficulty. Sometimes when you feel nervous or when you are scared of being caught, so that time you feel heavy and that is called gulped. Hatched. Open and produce a young animal. So when an egg breaks and a baby animal comes out of it, that is called hatched. Now let us begin with the story, The Egg. Baby parrot lived in a nest with mummy and a big white egg. So as you can see on the screen children, a baby parrot is living in the nest with mummy parrot and an egg. One day mummy parrot said, "I'm going out to find some food. You must look after the egg until I return." So mummy parrot gave the responsibility to baby parrot to look after the egg. And mummy went away. Baby parrot watched the egg for a very long time. She moved it around to make sure it was comfortable. So baby parrot was trying all the possible ways to look after the egg. She wrapped her wings. Wrapped means to cover. As I said in the beginning, wrapped means to cover. So she wrapped her wings around it to make sure it was warm so that the egg is not feeling cold. No? So just to make sure that the baby parrot cover the egg with her wings. "I'm very good at looking after eggs," baby parrot thought to herself. She said, "I'm very good at looking after eggs," as she was taking all the possible care of the egg. Just then, she heard the monkeys playing in the trees. When she heard the monkeys, she also tried to call like a monkey too. She was also trying to make sounds like monkey. She peered over the edge of the nest. Peered means to look with difficulty. As I told you in the beginning, peered means to look with difficulty. She was trying to look for the monkeys who were playing in the trees. So she peered over the edge of the nest and laughed at their games. Suddenly, baby parrot remembered the egg and she came back to the nest. She looked around and gulped. Gulped means to breathe with difficulty. She gulped. She became nervous. She got scared. Why she became nervous and she felt heavy? She was finding it difficulty to breathe as she was feeling nervous and she was scared. She gulped. It was broken. Mummy would be angry. She thought to herself that the egg was broken. Now mummy will be angry when she comes back. But when mummy returned, she wasn't angry at all. Mummy said, "Don't worry." As the little parrot popped out of broken eggshell, mummy parrot said, "The egg has hatched while I was away." So hatched means when the egg breaks and the baby animal comes out. So a little parrot came out of the broken eggshell and mummy said, "Now you've got a new baby sister to play with." So children, you saw how mummy gave the responsibility to look after the egg to the baby parrot, and baby parrot obeyed her mother and took care of the eggs very well. But she got little distracted, and when she again saw the egg was broken, and so that is why she got scared. But the egg was not broken, actually it was hatching. The egg hatched and a little parrot came out of the egg. So children, you must also obey your parents and must not get distracted. Now let us learn some new words that we have seen in this lesson. Let us repeat: baby, parrot, mummy, comfortable, wrap, remember, gulp, angry, eggshell, hatch, sister, edge. So these are some of the new words that we have seen in this lesson today. I'm sure children, you must have enjoyed the story of baby parrot. Thank you.